Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we will be discussing the details about the drones which are being procured by Pakistan from China. Yes, as per the latest update, China is providing one of the largest fixed wing drones of the Rainbow series to Pakistan. As per the sources, the drones which are being procured by Pakistan are the CH-4 drones. A 10-member Pakistan Army team led by Brigadier Mohammad Zafar Iqbal has visited China to review this particular procurement process. In addition to having border disputes with India, China has always been very close to Pakistan in many aspects. And China's aggressive postures in Ladakh made the Indian Army and Chinese Army being engaged in a standoff for months now. Even though the talks and act of disengagement are happening, China is simultaneously helping Pakistan to enhance their firepower by selling the state of art defense items. Now, coming back to the CH-4 drones, which is being acquired by Pakistan from China, these drones look almost identical to the United States General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper drones, which India is planning to acquire. There are two variants of CH-4 drones, the CH-4A, the CH-4B. Not sure which variant Pakistan is looking for, but the CH-4A drone is capable of 3,500 to 5,000 kilometer range and a 30 to 40 hour endurance. The CH-4B is a mixed attack and patrol system drone with provisions for 6 weapons and a payload of up to 250 to 345 kilograms. It is specifically designed for high altitude missions over land and sea, and these CH-4 drones are capable of firing air-to-ground missiles from an altitude of 5,000 meters. The CH-4 drones has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,260 kilograms to 1,300 kilograms. An electro-optical turret incorporating an imaging infrared sensor and a laser can spot and designate the targets very easily. These CH-4 drones can carry 4 to 6 AR-1 laser-guided anti-tank missiles, and it can also carry 100 pounds of laser-guided bombs. So that was a quick update regarding Pakistan's plan to induct the CH-4 drones from China. And looks like post-inducting these drones from China, Pakistan has planned to deploy them at line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. For now, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Iraq, and Egypt are the major countries which operate these CH-4 drones. As I already mentioned, these CH-4 drones of China is a copy of the General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper drones of United States, which India is planning to acquire. I'll upload a separate video comparing these two drones and we will see which one is better. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.